Hey guys, hope you are doing great, and if you're watching this video, you might be checking out the 2048 Merge Puzzle Challenge game by Giby, wondering if it's a legit way to make money online. So can you really make money this way? How much money can you make? Or is there any better ways to make money on the internet? Let's check it out. Hey, Mahesh here, just a regular guy, third language English and all, who built a system to make money online. Imagine the freedom, digital commute, be your own boss. That's possible, guys, and I want to show you how. There's a free masterclass in the description down below, which reveals my strategy to make around $5,000 to $10,000 every month from home. So stop dreaming and start living. Click below, register for free, and let's make money online together. And on this channel, I've reviewed hundreds of ways to make money online. Some are great, some are so-so, and many are just not worth your time. So let's find out if 2048 Merge by Giby is a good way to earn some extra cash online by playing games. And here you can download this game from the Google Play Store. It's moderately popular with around 10,000 downloads. It's a version of the classic 2048 game where you can match numbers. Alright, so Giby, a gaming company, has added a twist where you can earn rewards as you play and withdraw them using various methods. The game is straightforward. Merge matching numbers to create high scores. Okay, but here is the catch. Your earnings don't depend on your score. They depend on how many ads you watch. You know, Giby makes money from ad revenue. So the more ads you watch while playing, the more you can earn. So to cash out, you'll need to accumulate points, like around 10,000 points, which is equal to 1 cent USD. And imagine, to accumulate this 10,000 points, it would be taking nearly 4 to 5 hours of time. So just imagine how much time and effort you need to put in to create just $1. So, you know, they offer various withdrawal methods like PayPal, ATM, Coinbase, and AdCash. So the minimum withdrawal amount varies. With PayPal, it requires at least $1. So to earn this $1, you need to invest a lot of your time. While you can also earn by filling out surveys on downloading offers, it's not very lucrative. You know, Givy's surveys pay very little compared to other platforms, and their offer wall payouts are low than average. The reviews of the game are mixed. Some users find the points earned too low for the time invested, while other reports issues with payout rates and glitches. Overall, if you're looking to make serious money online, playing games like 2048 Merge might not be the best option. While it's fun, earning are minimal compared to other online opportunities. So if you're really interested in a proven strategy to make sustainable income online, check out my free masterclass down below, which I would be linking in the first link in the description, where I would be teaching how to make your first $5,000 to $10,000 online as a beginner. Alright guys, I hope you found this review helpful, and if you are newly watching this video for the first time, then I request you to please do subscribe and hit that bell icon so that it would be motivating me to create new content, as well as you get notified if I drop any new video on my channel. So take care, see you in the next video, have a great day, bye bye.